It's Frank Duffy with Fantasy Football Intervention. I'm out here in the field doing some field work.
Warning. The following advice is directly from the animals and has not been vetted by Frank Duffy or any other humans that join our circle. Consume at your own risk.
I'm determined to get you guys some good DFS information. Oh, baby. The black squirrel. Excuse me. Wayne Gallman tonight in the captain spot? What do you think? Found an osprey with a fish. Oh, I just left. Damn it. Hey. Hey. You stacking up the Green Bay game or no? I'm thinking Rodgers. Bring it back with Fuller and Cooks. Maybe squeeze in Fells. What do you think? What do you think about that? I just heard a bald eagle. I wonder if he plays DFS on FanDuel. Hey, you got 100% hunt this week or no? Hey, are we 100% on hunt? Oh, fuck you. Okay, it was an osprey, not an eagle, and it did have a fish in its mouth. Am I the fish? Is that the lesson here? I'm the fish.